I know last time I said, I guess I'll see you at the Grand Canal next, but we're not really going to Venice. At least not until we visit the birthplace of Renaissance, Florence. Buongiorno from Florence. We're in the Tuscany area where famous sculptures like Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci are from. This is also the land of gelato. Whoever thought half a day in Florence would be enough is honestly diabolical. But we're making the most of the little time we have in the capital of the Tuscany region. Just like in Rome, we're starting the day with a walking tour led by a local guide whose name, fittingly enough, is Flora. With this kind of weather, the city feels like an open-air museum, made for slow walks, outdoor art lessons, and stories from centuries ago. Church of the Most Holy Cross. This is where Galileo Galilei and I think Michelangelo were buried.
Welcome to Florence.
Florence is known as the birthplace of the Renaissance, and you can really feel that as you walk through it. From the architecture to the statues scattered around the city, it's hard to go a few steps without bumping into history. Even the famous dome of Florence Cathedral was considered an engineering miracle during its time. Built without modern tools, yet still dominating the city skyline centuries later. Having lunch, Tante Beatrice. I'm not sure if that's how we pronounce it. Very beautiful, classic Florence interior. What are we gonna have for lunch?
Bistek.
Yeah, the steak.
Yeah. It's 1 kilo steak.
So this is our steak. Hindi pa yan luto, guys. And this is chianti. According to our guide, ito daw yung masarap na wine here in Florence. That's it.
So do you want to cook it more?
Just flip it.
Okay.
Grazie.
Prego, buon appetito.
Thank you. There's steak. Let's try without adding salt or pepper.
Make sure to get medium rare. Fully appreciate the steak. Lalo, if you're watching, medium rare.
It's good, right? Really good.
Cabra. Carne na yun.
Rare. Really good. Chianti one. Also really good. Bene.
I only had one glass. And the chocolate added up. Who was she?
Next, we're gonna have gelato at this place as recommended by our tour guide. Can't leave Florence, the land of gelato, without getting one, right? We got passion and pistachio. We went back to the same gelato place to get affogato. Another round of gelato. Affogato, really nice. It's coffee and ice cream combined. Really, really nice. With our eyes and stomachs equally full from everything Florence had to offer, it's now time to bid goodbye to the place I unexpectedly left a piece of my heart in. Florence, you were nothing short of amazing. And now, for real this time, I'll see you in Venice next.